You know, hey Phil, you eat junk food a lot?
Not really, no.
That's what it is. I don't eat junk food a lot. That's why.
Look, the gas tank, what do you think? Another time. What's that?
They out here working on the Banshee.
The Bancha.
This nigga got too many different toys. The CB, Banshee, BM,
BM, again.
another Banshee.
Blueprint, man, does it all. He was like, you want some? I'm like, nah. He was like, no, bitch. We gotta open up the top.
Remember, Germ, 3 ounces to a gallon, my boy. They don't know no better. You better know better. I did it. It's 9 ounces, so you get 3 gallons each bottle.
And they say you don't learn stuff from math.
So unless you see that shit like halfway, half tank. Yeah, some people put get exact gallons at the gas station. If it ain't an exact gallon, don't get it. Some people put 4, but I like my 3 mix.
With class, it's 3.
Yeah, I like my 3.
Chris was like, with class, it's too thick to be running 4.
I run 3 miles.
We're gonna drop some engine ice in this motherfucker right here.
I'm living my best life.
What's up, world? We're on Phil's channel today.
Gotta get the funk. Oh, let me get the filter. Hold on. What's up, bro? So we're gonna drop the engine ice back in the Banshee, but we're using it, so we're gonna run it through the strainer right here. That's that blue gold.
That engine ice, though. That shit's expensive, bro. That's why you can't be wasting that.
You can't waste that engine ice, bro. That engine ice
It look like gold. Look,
bro, that shit
Blue
like
gold.
$37 damn near.
I'm gonna this shit like 20 cents, right? I told my dad about that shit.
Alright, first kickoff.
Too soft, kicks the primer. Where you pull your choke.
Woo!
Yo, look.
Alright, so close it up. You already know the water pump started working once the engine running. Yeah, but you still gotta let the air out. Yo, you got how quiet this shit is? This sounds beautiful, man. Smell that. All one kick start sound in. One kick, dog. Niggas can't even start before shit. I'm at kickstart.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. Some niggas can't do that.
Yo, Mike, you should powder coat those wheels black.
I
was thinking about it. I need 2 front. I was definitely thinking. Big man thinking, I know about them shit there.
You gotta wear this helmet.
Look, I can take you to my. Pick up the helmet from his backyard. Here. Oh yeah, I'm out here, bro.
Got the sun visor. He got the sun visor and everything.
You gotta go crazy.
All right, so they're about to go ride out on the bikes. I don't got my bike with me, so I'm just gonna let them go do what they gotta do. My bike is home, and I got somewhere to be later on, so I can't go riding today. But I'm gonna see if I can get one of them to pop a wheelie or something for your boy, you know what I mean? We gotta get some footage for y'all. But got the 2 Banshees out here. My other boy just went to go get his Voodoo Banshee. That's the one with the Haitian flag and everything on it. But right here, bang, bang. Uh-oh, they about to pull out. Ah, see, it be times like this, I'll be like, yo, I want a Banshee, man. But I don't got time to be riding on the streets and having to duck from cops and stuff like that, so I ain't gonna do it. But there's times like this, it's just like, wow, that looks like a mighty fun right there. But I'm about to go meet up with everybody else down by my house. So let's get out of here. Here, so right now I'm about to go meet up with Vanessa and her sister and her friend, and we're supposed to be going to New York because yesterday, I know I said it in yesterday's vlog, we're supposed to go to New York, but we got there late, so we didn't end up going. So today we're gonna be going. So yeah, and it's raining, so I'm pretty sure my boys is out there in the rain riding. But when you bike life, you ride anytime, any day, any weather. Come to New York and not get hot dogs from a street cart. This about to be my new trunk setup. See the plexiglass? Only in New York.
And choices of sauces.
Oh, say no. Sam.
Take your pose.
Just came home to another Amazon package, but you guys should already know what this is. This is the other seal that I needed for the other side. I'm probably gonna have to get some more for the fronts. Damn, the S2K out here looking crazy on the stockies, but got my wheels back, got the tires on. Yeah, nice, nice. Looking good, looking good. Now, I'm gonna polish them up and clean them while it's off the car, so it'll be easier, so let's get to it. Also, I sprayed some of the Eco All-Purpose Cleaner from Adams Polishes on the tires, and look how shiny it is. Nice, right? Telling y'all, Adams hooks it up. Alright, and then we're just gonna take some of this polisher here that my boy Busy Bubbles created himself. This helps pick up all the like stains and stuff like that off of the polish. Next, we're gonna add the mother's polish to it, so that way it brings back that ultimate shine. And then I use the drill and I go at it until I start seeing everything come back shiny again. Y'all see that? Whew. Look at that mirror finish, boy. I gotta work on this side, but look at that mirror. Oh man. I was gonna wait until tomorrow, which is Wednesday, to test fit the rear, but I can't wait. So I'm gonna try on one wheel. I already cleaned it. You see it back there shining. The other side is back there shining. Polished. It's a love-hate relationship. I love it, but I hate to clean them. But we're about to test fit this wheel back here. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys today though. Holy shit. Moment of truth, buddies. When I tell y'all, it looks sick. It's like damn near right there. But I have to take out a little bit more camber, and I think that'll do it just how I want it. If not, I might need like a 10 mil spacer, but not even. I'm telling y'all, this thing looks immaculate. I love it. It came out exactly the way I wanted it to. I would show you guys, but I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. But wait, I do have something else that you know what? I'm gonna save it for tomorrow's video, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned with this series I got going on with the S2K. I guess you could say a wide body series or whatnot. Right now it's late as hell at night, and I definitely just saw 2 raccoons up there. So I'm about to go inside the house and get ready to go to the gym. I'm already sweating, but need to go to the gym and get these gains, you feel me? So till tomorrow, guys, squad out.